Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to start with entirely different topic, that is other ways to say congratulations. Congratulations कहने के और तरीके, मतलब if you will be saying congratulations then this will be little boring, so you can use these sentences or these words इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस के अलावा तो आप ये सारे वर्ड्स और ये सेंटेंसेस यूज कर सकते हो, दैट विल बी मोर इम्प्रेसिव. ओके, सो दीज आर 4 बट आई विल बी राइटिंग मोर ऑल्सो एज आई हैवंट much space here, so I have written just 4 and then I will be writing afterwards when you will be able to understand these 4. So first is keep up the good work. अपना अच्छा काम जारी रखो, कीप अप द गुड वर्क. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कहने के लाइक कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू, कीप अप द गुड वर्क, यू कैन से कीप अप द गुड वर्क इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. बोलने के अलावा यू कैन से दीज वर्ड्स और सेंटेंसेस. आई न्यू यू कुड डू इट, मुझे पता था कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. लाइक कोई कॉम्पिटिशन जीता है कोई भी, एनी वन ऑफ यू हैज़ won the competition. So other person who haven't won that, that person will be saying I knew you could do it, मुझे पता था कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. Like parents also used to say that congratulations के अलावा आप कह सकते हो, like आपका बच्चा कोई सपोज करो कि कोई बच्चा है वो कंपटीशन जीता. ओके, बच्चा कंपटीशन जीत गया, अब उसको सारे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बोलेंगे कि येस यू हैव वॉन दिस कंपटीशन, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, कॉन्ग्रेट्स. But instead of saying congratulations, you can say, I'm impressed. That's great. I knew you could do it. मुझे पता था कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. Keep up the good work. अच्छा काम जारी रखो. Keep up the good work. And I hope these 4 I have told you in one sentence only. Keep up the good work. I knew you could do it. मुझे पता कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. That's great. ये बहुत अच्छा है. I'm impressed. मैं बहुत प्रभावित हूँ, इम्प्रेस्ड हूँ. सो दीज आर 4 sentences you can say when you have to say congratulations to anyone. So you can simply say keep up the good work, I knew you could do it, and that's great, I'm impressed. So these 4 are other ways to say congratulations. I will be writing more, so let me write that more also and then I will be telling you those also. Okay, so congratulations के मेरे को लगता है आपको ये 4 समझ आ गए होंगे, जिसमें है keep up the good work, I knew you could do it, that's great, I'm impressed. So instead of saying congratulations you can say this. Okay, so I have written 4 more also. Okay, and there are some more also, but I will be writing those afterwards after these 8. Okay, so 5th one is you did it. तुमने कर दिखाया, you did it. Okay, so congratulation की जगह आप ये भी बोल सकते हो you did it. 6th is that's the way, that's the way. 7th is nothing can stop you, कोई तुम्हें रोक नहीं सकता. 8th that's better than never, ये better है कुछ ना करने से, तो ये better है. but you won, congratulations की जगह आप ये बोल सकते हो that's better than never. but you can use some easy congratulations words also, like mean sentences or ways to say, like I will be telling you in last that क्या क्या आप बोल सकते हो, which I will be also remembering that. Okay, so 5th was you did it, तुमने कर दिखाया, you did it. 6th is that's the way. 7th is nothing can stop you, and 8th is that's better than never, that's better than never. So these are 4 more congratulations ways, means words or sentences that you can use instead of saying congratulations. So let me recap these. 5th is you did it, 6th is that's the way, 7th is nothing can stop you, 8th is that's better than never, that's better than never. So I hope this is also clear to you, the ways that you can use instead of saying congratulations. So let me write more also. Okay, so I have written 4 more also. Okay, चार और लिखे मैंने. पर्सनली माई फेवरेट इज सेंसेशनल. So sensational you can use many times instead of saying congratulations. Sensational मतलब अद्भुत. Sensational. Okay, sensational. 10th is outstanding. 11th is that's first class work. 12th is that's good. So total I have told you 12 ways. I have told you 12 ways to say congratulations. Okay, 12 तरीके बताएं. These are total 12 words. You can note down these words in a separate notebook if you want to note down these. Okay, so total 12 ways हैं. 9th is sensational. मैंने आपको बता दिया कि अद्भुत और अविश्वसनीय मतलब congratulations के लिए यूज होता है sensational भी. And 10th is outstanding. I hope outstanding is also clear to you. मतलब बहुत अच्छा. Outstanding, flawless. So these all you can use. Okay, 11th is that's first class work. हम बोलते ना first class. So you can use this also, but I think this is not a formal way to say that's first class work. But sensational, outstanding, you can say this. Okay, that's first class work. You can use this also, but in informal. Okay, मतलब friends, relatives से, ना कि कोई अगर स्कूल वगैरह में हो तो या किसी भी formal platform पे हो. Okay, so I think this is mainly for informal. Okay, and last one is that's good. मैंने आपको that's great भी बताया था, that's good भी बताया. मतलब ये good के synonyms हैं. Now there are two types of good. This is good मतलब अच्छा और this is goods मतलब सामान. जो goods हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर जाते हैं. ओके, सो इनका भी डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए. सो देयर आर सम वर्ड्स विच हैव सेम मीनिंग. ओके, बट डिफरेंट, सेम pronunciation but different meaning. So that's called homophones. I will be making separate video of homophones also. Don't worry. But let's move on to this particular topic. I hope 9th word is clear to you. Sensational. 10th word outstanding. It is clear by its own. By you, if you can see this word, you can already imagine that what's this meaning. What's the meaning of this? Okay. 11th is that's first class work. ये जो है वो बहुत अच्छा काम किया तुमने. That's first class work. And 12th is that's good. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप that's good की जगह that's amazing, that's awesome. So you can write this also. Now many of you use abbreviations or you can say full form, not full forms, but you are making short forms. Like awesome को आप OSM लिख रहे हो, but in formal this is wrong. You have to write that's awesome. So you have to write this spelling. Otherwise your marks will be deducted, or if you are speaking then it will be not much. Okay, अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट क्योंकि awesome और OSM में दोनों में प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो सेम ही है, बट स्पेलिंग अलग है. ओके, आप awesome OSM वाला तो इनफॉर्मल के लिए यूज़ करो, लाइक यूज इन व्हाट्सएप लैंग्वेजेस or any platforms. But awesome, this AWESOME is used for formal, and if you have to write this, you have to write AWES वाली spelling. Okay, so I hope this is also clear to you. 12 ways मैंने आपको बताए हैं. Sensational, outstanding, that's first class work, that's good, that's great, I am impressed, you did it, and there are many more. Keep up the good work, nothing can stop you, that's better than never, I knew you could do it, and that's the way. So here are 12 other ways to say congratulations. So अब congratulations मत बोलो, it sounds boring. Instead of congratulations you can use these words: sensational, outstanding, that's good, that's great, I'm impressed, you did it, nothing can stop you, these type of words. Okay, so I hope this video is clear to you. This is very informative video of, because यहाँ पे जो अभी लोग हैं वो काफ़ी लोग जो हैं वो congratulations ही बोलते हैं, and that sound boring. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, हमें कुछ अपनी लाइफ में नए वर्ड्स लेकर आने चाहिए, नए आंसर्स लेकर आने चाहिए क्वेश्चंस के. सो यू कैन राइट दीज, you can say these type of ways. Like I have told you, there are 12 ways, so I have made 12 ways. I have written 12 ways to say congratulations. So you should note down this, and I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any query or you have any suggestion that next video किस way पे बनाऊं, other ways to say dash, so you can comment me down. And if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates for my new videos. Thank you.